Hi, welcome. This video is about how you can uh, basically start affiliate marketing. All right, it is how you can do affiliate marketing as a beginner. All right, like I promised in my previous video, I said I defined affiliate marketing and I promised I was going to be doing more of basics on affiliate marketing. All right, so in this video I'm going to give you a good handle so that you will catch the vision, you will catch the real picture of what I'm talking about, and that will give you uh, speed. Okay, now what is affiliate marketing? Now affiliate marketing is simply referring people to products. Okay, you refer people to products, and when you refer them to products to buy products or offers, they make a decision, they make choice and then make decision to buy. All right, and when they buy, you are giving commission. All right, you are giving commission by the uh, by the affiliate marketing platform. All right, you are giving commission. And the beautiful thing about this is that you don't need money to start affiliate marketing. You don't need money. All right, you don't need money to register, you don't need money to start. The reason being that every business that is done on the internet, every business that you can think of, and in today's world everything is on the internet. Every business that is done on the internet has an affiliate program. All right, every business that is done on the internet, every business has an affiliate program. That is a key for you. Please, I want you to subscribe to this channel. Subscribe to this channel. Okay, hit the notification button, hit the like button, and leave a comment. If what I'm saying makes sense, please leave a comment. All right, you can say thank you Mazi, thank you Mazi. All right, now every business that is done on the internet has an affiliate program. I don't care the country you're watching me from, there are loads of affiliate program or affiliate marketplaces in your country. All you need to do is type into your Google, type in best affiliate marketing places in the country you are. If you're in Malaysia, if you're in Philippines, if you're in Nigeria, type in best affiliate marketing programs, and you will have and you will see them. Okay, now this is how you do it. You go to these affiliate marketing platforms and you sign up. When you sign up, you are given a link. All right, you are given a link which you begin to promote. You promote your product through those links. You promote them online. All right, and this is where I have a link. I have a link below this video. I have a link below this video. That link is a program, is a link to a program. All right, that will teach you how you will set up the system, because there is a system that is involved on how to do affiliate marketing successfully online. There is a system that is involved. You need to get some knowledge how to establish that system. You need to automate it. You need to create your blog. You need to create your website. All right, and these things are very cheap to do, but sometimes we feel that setting up website or setting up blog, or like I'm doing on YouTube right now, or doing on Instagram, promoting on Instagram, or doing Facebook ads, sometimes we feel they are expensive. They are not expensive, they are peanuts. But this is what the average person doesn't know. All right, his mindset is locked. He doesn't know that doing things on the internet are very, very cheap. All right, so you sign up, you get an affiliate link, you promote your product using your affiliate link. The beautiful thing about affiliate marketing is that you are not calling your family members, you are not calling your friends, you are not registering with money, you are not doing it with any money. You start with zero money. All right, It's not like network marketing where you're told to get people to register under you, and by the time they buy, and then you also have to buy before you can make money. Those are bullshit. All right, that is bullshit. Affiliate marketing is not like that. In affiliate marketing, you go directly to the affiliate platform, the affiliate company. You sign in, they give you a link to promote their products, and there are millions of products out there, okay, that you can promote. There are products that covers every aspect of human need. So I don't know what you like to promote. All right, I don't know what you like to promote. So when you key in, you must find something that you can promote. So if you're watching me from Malaysia, all right, if you're watching me from Malaysia, there are affiliate programs in Malaysia that you can do. Zalora does affiliate program, Lazada does affiliate program, Wine Talk does affiliate program, all right, Easy Store does affiliate program. Go on and find out. Okay, Alibaba does affiliate programs. These are affiliate platforms that you can key into and make money from your bedroom. You don't need to go outside. You don't need to talk to anybody. You don't need to preach to anybody to make money. You make that money right in your bedroom. Are you getting me? Now, if you're watching me from Nigeria, Konga has affiliate program, Jumia has affiliate program, TravelStart has affiliate program. You name them. Hugo Host, they have affiliate program. A whole lot of them, they have affiliate program. All right. I will always recommend Expert affiliates. You sign into Expert if you're in Nigeria or wherever you are. You can do the beauty of affiliate marketing is that you can virtually do affiliate marketing from anywhere in the world. I don't care where you are, so long as there is internet, so long as there is you have a phone, you have a laptop, a desktop, or a computer, you can do affiliate program from anywhere. I don't care where you are. All right, I do affiliate program from here now, where I am now. All right, I run offers in the US and I make in dollars. I run offers in Europe and I make my dollars, I make my money. All right, I work from anywhere. That is the beauty of affiliate marketing. It gives you the capacity to work from anywhere because it is based on the internet. All right, please subscribe to my channel. Subscribe. Leave a comment if what I'm saying makes sense. All right, leave a comment, hit the notification bell. All right, so on the international level, we have affiliate places like we have ClickBank, we have JVZoo, we have Mass Bounty, we have Digi24. I don't know where you're watching me from, but these are affiliate places that you can go sign up and promote products. You can promote weight loss products, beauty products, make money products. You can promote, and from your living room, from your bedroom, you make money. All right, so if what I'm saying resonates with you, please leave a comment. So affiliate program is not really affiliate marketing is not really a difficult one to do. It is something that anybody can do. You can do it if you are determined. I started with nothing, and you are so lucky. I'm telling you direct. When I started, nobody taught me direct how to do it. I had to dig my way through. All right, I had to dig my way through. So don't tell yourself you cannot do it. You can do it. You can do it. So if you're a beginner, you are in the right place. If you're in the right place. If you're out there, you don't have money to start a brick and mortar business. All right, that's a physical store. You can do business online with zero fund. You can do business online. All right, you don't need money to sign up with to sign up affiliate programs with companies you don't know. You don't need to. All right, and please, if you have questions to ask, if you don't really understand, all right, you can ask questions on the comment box. Okay, ask questions, and I will be here to answer your questions in doing affiliate marketing. All right, I love you, and please subscribe to my channel. All right, subscribe and hit the notification button, hit the like button, and leave a comment. All right, and in this on this channel, I'm gonna be giving you the basics of what I know in affiliate marketing. All right, I have results to show for them. Okay, so stay with me on this channel, and you're gonna learn a whole lot of tips and tricks on how to do them. My name is Mazi. Thank you.